I am doing what I feel is best for me. Hello, my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. I'm going to go ahead and film for January 25th episode. It is still January 24th. I am still driving home from Nashville to Memphis, Tennessee. I am doing what I feel is best for me. What I mean by that is I'm traveling and going to concerts and all this wonderful stuff for myself. It is okay to be selfish, especially when you deal with depression. You should definitely put yourself first if you are in that type of situation. I have found out firsthand that nobody is gonna really be there for you. You can be there for somebody over and over and over, but when you actually need someone to be there for you, it's kind of like, no thank you. So yeah, the only person that is in control of your happiness and you not being as fucked up is yourself. So you know what, be selfish, it's okay. You're more important than what's around you. I have been traveling and going to concerts to improve my, I guess, my mental health. I definitely want to be a happier version of myself. I don't want to be depressed, or I don't know. I don't want to be this way anymore. So traveling as often as I do, going to concerts as often as I do, it's definitely something that has helped me a little bit. Like, I need to do it more and more and more. So I don't know. The more I do it, the more happier I am. I am thankful and grateful and very fortunate to be able to travel the world about 6 months out of the year, as well as go to a lot of concerts per year. I'm very thankful that I am in the situation that I'm in. I work very hard when I am home to be able to live the life that I want to live when I'm not at home. So it is definitely something that has helped me out, because I feel like if I never would have gotten a passport, if I never would have opened myself to the world, if I never would have went to 30 concerts in 2013 and 2016, and I'm gonna work on going to 30 concerts in 2019, I feel like, I don't know where I would be. I would be deeper in a hole than I already am, and that's not what I want to do. I definitely want to start taking care of myself more and more and more and more. So I am doing what I feel is best for me. I am traveling for a reason. I go to concerts for a reason. I have a lot of people in my family, friends, co-workers, all that stuff that think I'm wasting my time. The way I see it, I might not even be here if it wasn't for what I'm doing right now in my life. So you can say I'm wasting my time, but I wouldn't have the time to waste if I wasn't doing it. Take that how you want it. My takeaway from this video is that I would like all of you to start doing things for yourselves. Stop putting your family, your friends, your co-workers, your peers, your enemies, whatever. Stop letting them dictate your life. Do what you want to do, because in the end, you are the only one going in that grave when you die. So why don't you go doing what you would like to do with your life? There is something in the United States of America, and I guess around the world, people still refer to it as the American dream. It's the American dream blueprint. Graduate high school, go to college, graduate college, get married, have a family, get a house, have a house with a big red door, you know, all that sounds wonderful. But so, majority of that is materialistic type shit. It would be amazing to do all that. I'm definitely envious of those who have the patience and the drive to want to do all that, to go to college and graduate college. And I mean, I would love to get married. I would love to get married someday, but right now, not on the plate for me right now. Maybe later in life, I might find somebody to settle down with, and I'll be a very happy guy with a very beautiful lady. But for now, I'm single. I'm gonna live my life around the world, around concert venues around the world. I don't want to live the American dream blueprint. Do I ever plan on going to college in my lifetime? I don't know. I feel like there is plenty of opportunities for me that I can do without going to college. And I will eventually move to that stage in my life. But right now, I want to keep traveling. I want to keep going to concerts. I want to keep doing what makes me happy. If I have to be selfish, at least I'm alive, somewhat happy. Yeah. Take care of yourselves. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Sorry for somewhat of a depressing video, but I needed to make this video. So my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Until next time, until tomorrow, I will see y'all later.